So, who do you think's getting traded? I think it's Poppet. It's not gonna be me. Stop being mean, guys. I mean, Poppet does have a point. You guys are being mean. I hope you get traded, Cruise Balls. We're not gonna get traded. We're Chloe's favorite. No, you guys aren't. Stop being rude. Guys, shh, here she comes. Today, I think I'm going to trade the Cruise Balls. Trading Cruise Balls, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh, me. Okay, what's your offer? I'll offer a wacky track. Could you add? Fine. I'll add a fidget spinner. Okay, so thank you. Hi, I'm Wacky Track. I'm Fidget Spinner, and I can spin. Wow, you guys seem a lot nicer than the Cruise Balls. Yeah, the Cruise Balls were really mean. So yeah, you guys are better. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to get those minis out. Guys, here she comes. Shh. I'm gonna play with Poppet. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. I should have traded this. Poppet, no! Don't worry, guys. I'll be back. Shooting Poppet, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh, me. Okay, what's your offer? Yeah, 1 sec. Sorry. I'm stuck. Okay, there. A snake, could you add? Fine, I'll add Cruise Balls. Okay, I accept. Hi, I'm Snake. Where are the Cruise Balls? Hey, where'd Papa go? Papa got traded for all 3 of you guys. I want to eat you. Stop! Get your teeth away! No! You're my best friend. Let go! Don't worry, guys, I'll pull you. Yeah. And you. Yeah. Are you okay? Then I'll just eat you, Snake. Let go. Guys, here she comes. Get back in your places. Like and subscribe for part 2.